or welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So finally filming a Meesho haul which you guys have been requesting ever since I told you guys that I shopped something from Meesho. So here it is. I hope you guys like it, and now without any further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so first let's talk a little bit about Meesho, and if you have never shopped from them, this will just give you like a review of mine. This is not a sponsored video. I have been looking at the hauls that other YouTubers do for so long, and I always thought, how is the product so cheap and how it's gonna be in real life, because so many of the products that are in there literally like at the 1/5 price, they are also available on other Instagram stores at such a higher price than that on the app. So I was always confused, but then one day I had this I don't know, very impulsive decision where I shopped so much from them. So I have the app right now. I'm gonna go to my orders. Alright, so I'm gonna go to my orders and I'm gonna show you guys what all I shopped. So I think I shopped for 1 2 3 4 5 6, yeah, I think I shopped for about 7 products, 7 clothing items, but one of them got cancelled on their own. Like, they have cancelled it on their own. And I also have to say that, guys, the delivery was so super quick. I cannot even imagine. I mean, such giants like Myntra and others also don't do such fast delivery. However, but it can also be for the fact that because they have so many different sellers, so it depends on the seller how fast they do it or not. But I have, like, so many of the products were from different sellers. Okay, so I'm very happy with the delivery. 2 products I received literally, like, suppose I ordered it today at 4 PM, around 4 to 6 PM, and then एक दिन छोड़ के परसों मेरे को रिसीव हो गया दोपहर पे. मतलब it didn't even take 72 hours. So that's great. Okay, that's great. So yeah, could also be because of the seller, or could also be because of the Meesho app, or how their delivery is too fast. I don't know about that. But then other products I received उसके अगले दिन, and एक आधा जो रह गया था वो उसी I think I received almost all the products under 4 days. Yeah, so that's that. And one product that they cancelled on their own was let me show you which one. Was this top right here, this top that you see. Now this one I have been looking at on Instagram. Of course, so many people have it, so many people like it, so I thought I'll just try it, and it was comparatively very cheap also. So I thought, yeah, I'll try it. But I think the seller did not dispatch the product in 3 days or something. Then it got cancelled itself. Thankfully I did COD only, which is what I'll suggest you if you're shopping for the first time from any app. Actually, always choose COD, so that even if your order does not come, it doesn't fall on you, right? So yeah, your money is safe. Yeah, only pay when you get the order, right? Let's talk about this first. Okay, so this is the top that I'm wearing now. This is not crop. Okay, so this is how I like to wear my clothes. But yeah, this is how this looks like, right? Okay, so that's how it looks like. Now this, I hope you can see, it's peach. Okay, it's a peach color. But what I actually ordered was this. So this is completely different, right? Not completely, but yeah, it's actually pretty different. This one was a crop top, and this one had sleeves right ऐसे, ठीक है, और इसकी sleeves थोड़ी सी चौड़ी हैं. So yeah, I don't like the sleeves, but anyways I did not return it. Is what the product, I mean the top, looks like. It's a t-shirt actually. It's a beautiful, I like it because it's sleeveless, it's not too long, and also the fact that it is very comfortable. It is not transparent, but if you wear a bra that's like a black bra underneath, it will of course show. So it's not too opaque also. So you have to wear nude bra. I think I always go for a nude bra under all my t-shirts because it's just more safe and it looks a lot more seamless. So yeah, that's one tip for you guys. Go for a seamless nude t-shirt bra under all the tops. Okay, so yeah, this is what it looks like. I hope you can see, and yeah, I like it. I don't think it's anything special, but yeah, I do like it. It's pretty comfortable. The fabric is also really nice. It's cotton, I believe. Yeah, it's cotton, I believe. And wow, fashion designer. And also this one, I would say I got for, मतलब I paid for the white one, but I received this, so obviously इसके लिए भी मैंने इतना ही pay करा. That is 322. Now looking at the other tops that I will show you guys in a while, do I think it is worth 322? No. If I actually ordered this particular top, तो I'm pretty sure ये app पे थोड़ा cheap ही होता, but it's okay. Doesn't matter, it is still cheaper than what you get in the market or anywhere else. Yeah, I do like it. It's pretty nice. It's very comfy to lay around the house. Alright guys, so this is the next top, and I think this is such a pretty top. I think this is the prettiest of them all. Yeah, I think this is the prettiest of them all. Look at the sleeves, the the detailing is so good, and I'm pretty sure you would have seen this top by now on Instagram, of course. And there are so many Instagram sellers that sell this top, or the one that is full sleeve. That was also available on Meesho, but I didn't want to get that because it was too much. So yeah, I got this one. I think it is more wearable for every day, so yeah, I really like it. Now this one is white, but it is not too transparent, so yeah, again nude bra goes well with it. It is not the most opaque, but also not very transparent, so I really like the quality. And I'm not lying, I have seen on a lot of Instagram stores, especially like Punk Clothing or एक और है, I don't know, completely forgot about it. The little hi-fi Instagram stores, they sell this pretty much for about 12 to 1500. Not even lying, 12 to 1500 का तो मैंने ही देखा है. और जो थोड़ा full sleeve होता है, that तो they are selling for 1800 and all. ठीक है? Can you guess how much I paid for this top? This one is only for rupees 208. Can you imagine? I paid only 200 rupees for this, and the quality is really nice. It's too comfortable. It does, especially with the tops that are a little extra, they sometimes are not the most comfortable, but yeah, they look pretty. But this one is pretty and is pretty comfortable as well. It's really comfy and really nice. Love it. Alright, so next up I have this another t-shirt in this beautiful blinding color. I'm pretty sure you cannot even properly see how neon this color is in the camera, but it is pretty neon in real life. So in case you want to buy it, make sure you know that, because I thought it won't be too neon, but it is too neon. But I'm not complaining, I do like it. It is still really nice and extra and bougie AF. I really like it. I'm actually gonna wear it out. But yeah, it is the kind of color that does this to your eyes, if you know what I mean, especially when you are out in the sunlight. It is that color, okay? But I really like it. Talking about the color, yeah, done talking about the color, but this is what the top looks like. It's pretty nice, pretty comfortable. I leave all the sizes in the bottom bar below because I don't remember them right now, but yeah, you can refer to their size chart, and I think it is pretty accurate. This one is really nice, very comfortable, very breathable. Look at it, super comfy. And yeah, I really like the fitting. It is not too tight, it is not too loose, just the perfect. Pretty cheap, and actually this is the cheapest one of them all. So yeah, this was I think around somewhat around 150 or something, I'm not pretty sure. And according to that, the quality is actually really nice. I think you should definitely check it out. I have actually a same top in this. I got the same in a peach color, exactly the same color that the other t-shirt had. So yeah, बिल्कुल सेम t-shirt है, just color का difference है. And again, both of them are really pretty. I wore that one with my white jean and it looked so good. It looked so chic and nice, and I'm gonna wear this also with white only, just to tone it down a little bit. But yeah, looks really nice. And if you're looking for comfy t-shirt, I think this one you should definitely check out. Yeah, did I not mention that you could also wear it like this, and it looks pretty chic like this also. And yeah, really like it. Alright guys, so next up we have this really pretty crochet top, and I got this for the color. How pretty is the color? I really like it. The only con is that it is too short. Like, can you see? It's too short. You can almost see my bra underneath. So yeah, it's not it cannot be worn very casually. I mean, you can wear it, you know, on the beach or something. Yeah, I'll be very comfortable wearing this on the beach, but of course you cannot wear it on the street, especially because too see-through, right? So yeah, that's that. And yeah, I do like it. I could have returned this as well, but I thought I'll keep it for the shoots and all. And I wore it for a makeup tutorial, I guess, or I don't know, for some video, and you guys really loved the top. Yeah, so yeah, it is actually, this is the one that I wore in my YouTube video. I'll leave a link right here. Yeah, so this is the one that I was wearing in that. But yeah, this is how it looks like. The quality is really nice. They had a lot of colors in this one, so if you want to go ahead and buy this, you can choose a few colors and maybe go for a black. That would be more safer. But yeah, looks really nice. I think I'm gonna wear it over a shirt, you know, style it with a shirt or something, but let's see how I'm gonna style this. But yeah, this also looks really nice. Alright guys, so next up we again have this beautiful lilac lavender shade and this pretty top. I have been wanting this color ever since this became a trend, and pretty much as usual I'm late to the trend, and but finally, nevertheless, I bought it. And yeah, this is what it looks like. It has really, the fabric for all of them is pretty much the same. I mean, literally the same fabric for all those t-shirt things that I showed you guys. But yeah, looks really comfy. It's very breathable, very good for summer. And yeah, this is what the sleeves look like. It has this thingy, whatever it is called, and then you have this detailing right here. If you're not comfortable, you can bring it down, but it is pretty much crop. It's not too crop, it's decently crop, something that I do like. And then you can also do this, and any top that goes like this makes your waist look a lot slimmer, so that's really nice. But yeah, I really like the color, the fabric, the comfort, the fit, everything is really nice. Really like it, all of it actually. And for the last one, we have this just one dress, which I'm going to show you guys right now. Alright guys, so on to our last piece, we have this dress, which again is a very casual, decent kind of a dress on the days when you want to look casual but want to wear a dress and not look too sexy. And yeah, this is really nice. I'll pop a picture and show you guys what the detailing is at the side. However, I'm not the biggest fan of the fabric. See, I hope you can see the fabric and make out how this is in real life, but it's not the softest and it's not the most comfortable, and if you are at a hotter place, it will give you a very hard time because इसमें गर्मी बहुत लगेगी इस fabric में. But again, it was pretty cheap, so cannot complain. Yeah, I decided to keep it again because I could take a lot of pictures for shooting, and yeah, it's good for once in a blue moon type of a thing where I want to wear a dress to a casual gathering. So yeah, it's really nice. It looks very good in the pictures. But yeah, that's what I wanted to say. I do like it, I cannot complain, but again, as I said, I'm not the biggest fan of the fabric. If I saw it in real life, the fabric, this is the kind of fabric I never go for in real life. So yeah, I wouldn't have gone for it otherwise, but now that I have it, I think it's fine. I've already worn it and I'm keeping it. Also, the color that you see on the video is not the actual color of the dress. The actual color is the one that you saw on the picture, right? So it's a lot more darker than what it looks on the camera. So yeah, just wanted to point that out. So that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on my Instagram where you'll see all these OOTD pictures. Now let me know if you guys want me to do more such hauls, or if you want me to shop more from Meesho and see if see and get something else, because I am really intrigued too, and I think I'll be shopping more from them. However, always look at the pictures, look at the reviews, and if you don't like anything, just return it. Yeah, it's pretty easy. So yeah, let me know what else would you guys like to see. I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you so much.